Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Ddluvsbeauty and I'm here with another video. This is a gold champagne cut crease. As you can see, I really like this look. I thought it would go great with a red lip, and if you were interested, I'm actually going to be filming a lip series. My first video in this series is going to be my top 5 favorite red lipsticks for women of color, so you do not want to miss that one. As always guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video if you actually like it, and make sure you leave a comment. Comment that I would like for you guys to make in this video is, it is almost springtime. I am officially on spring break, so I'm going to be filming a lot of videos for you guys. So once you see this video, drop a comment in the comment box and let me know which videos would you like to see me film while I'm on spring break. So that means you have to watch the video quick and get a request in before I'm back to work. But I'm really excited about filming some things. I'm actually going to be filming some things that I have yet to film on my channel, so I'm excited about that. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I've been getting some inspiration from other channels that I watch, and I just want to put my own little twist on it. So again, if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, then please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.